There was a study that was performed in 2023 that discussed in a war with China, we would essentially exhaust all of our missile products within 5 days. This is Mach 1. This is our Aerospace and Defense manufacturing facility and focusing on R&D products related to aerospace and defense. This is our forming cell clusters, and you can see it's actually forming a part right now that's going to be related to a defense product for a contract that we have coming up. We're actually in queue to start forming this part right here, which is a fuselage for a missile component. So all these different parts are right now going to be cut on this cell, and that process then gets taken to post-processing, and then the flow redirects it all the way to weld, where we have a completely integrated vertical structure of manufacturing, which is more agile than traditional manufacturing companies. There's a clear gap in between how quickly we can get these defensive products to a warfighter when it needs it most. Our defensive inventory is decreasing every single day. So Machina and Mach 1 in particular is used as a bed to be able to develop these products, not only just from one single product, but many different products. So we can build missile structures, drone structures, all under one roof. Once parts are completed through post-processing, they get flowed directly to integration. So integration consists of different facets of welding, riveting, resistance welding, TIG welding, laser welding, any type of joining methods that we have at the current facility. Everything is flown to one direction, and the minimum amount of steps are taken to be able to get to the next station. So this area is going to be receiving inspection and inventory as we start to produce more and more of the same components. Everything is organized and kitted in a fashion to where it gets moved to the next station accordingly. So this is a dome that we use for in-space applications to weld it onto cylinders, a propellant and oxidizer storage for in-space applications that is typically seen in space launch vehicles or satellites. They're wrapping up this now. They're going to start welding the cylinders, but you can see that we utilize laser welding systems in addition to TIG welding systems, all done here at Machina, vertically integrated.